Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to enable secure DNS in the Brave beta browser on your mobile device. This will improve your online privacy, increase security while browsing, and make your internet connection safe. First, open the Brave beta browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. Inside the Settings page, find Brave Shields and Privacy and tap on it. Next, scroll down until you see the Use Secure DNS option and click on it. Then, select Choose another provider to see a list of available DNS providers. After that, choose a provider such as Google or Cloudflare depending on your preference. By following these steps, your browsing activity will be more secure and less vulnerable to online tracking. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.